Happy Tuesday, second graders. We are going to continue our subtraction strategies. So I need you to pause the video and make sure you have paper and a pencil or a whiteboard with a dry erase marker. Okay, now that you have your materials, we're going to talk about the counting back strategy. When the number you are subtracting is small, it is easy to count back. So 18 minus 3 equals question mark. Well, we're taking 3 away. 3 is a pretty small number. So we can count back. We're going to start at 18 and we're going to count back 3. 1, 2, 3. We land on 15. So 18 minus 3 equals 15. That's the counting back strategy. The next strategy is the counting up strategy. When the numbers are close together, it's easy to count up. For example, 9 minus 7 equals question mark. Well, 9 and 7 are close to each other on the number line. So we would start with 7 and see how many hops it takes us to get to the 9. 7, 1, 2, 9. So 2 hops it takes us. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. So now thinking about the counting back and the counting up strategy, let's look at this problem. 17 minus 15 equals question mark. Well, think. Are the numbers close to each other? Is the number we're taking away small? Okay, so the numbers are close together. So we are going to count up. We would start at 15 and see how many hops it takes us to get to 17. So we have 1, 2. So 17 minus 15 equals 2. All right, let's try again. 20 minus 2 equals question mark. Are 20 and 2 close to each other on a number line? Not really, but the 2 is pretty small. So we are going to count back. We're going to start at 20 and count 2 hops back. 1, 2, and we get to 18. So 20 minus 2 equals 18. Okay, it's your turn now. Once I read the problem, I want you to pause it and I want you to figure it out using your paper or your whiteboard. So the first one, Mrs. Broderson went for a walk. She wanted to walk 7 miles. So far she walked 4. How many more miles does Mrs. Broderson have to walk? So you're going to pause it and you're going to think to yourself, 7 and 4, are they close together on the number line? Is the number I am subtracting really small? So pause it and think. So 4 and 7 are pretty close together on the number line. And we are going to then start at the 4 and count up till 7. 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 equals question mark. The answer is 3 miles. Don't forget your units. Okay. All right, let's do another problem. Again, I'm going to read it. I want you to pause the video and try and think on your own what we would do. So Mrs. Retz went to the food store. She bought 8 bananas and 6 apples. How many more bananas than apples did she buy? So you're going to pause and you're going to think, are 8 and 6 close together on the number line? Is the number that I'm subtracting really small? So 6 and 8 are pretty close on the number line. So I'm going to be counting up. Okay, so here we are. Our number model 8 minus 6 equals question mark. We're counting the number of fruit. So we have 6, and then we're going to see how many it takes us to get to 8. How many hops? 1, 2. So Mrs. Retz bought 2 more bananas than she did apples. Let's do one last problem. Miss Bonato has 14 books. She already read 3 books. How many more books does Miss Bonato have to read? Again, you're going to pause it. Are 14 and 3 close to each other on the number line? Is the number we're subtracting really small? Okay, so 14 and 3 are not close to each other on the number line. So we're going to count back starting at 14 because 3 is a small number. So 14, right? We have 1, 2, 3, and we are landing on 11. So 14 minus 3 equals question mark. We are counting the number of books and the answer, 11 books.